Hi everyone, so today we're going to learn how to add and configure a control in Canvas app using Power Apps like the last video, but today we'll go through a step-by-step example to understand how to use controls effectively in your apps. So first we need to open the Power Apps Studio and create a new canvas or open existing one. Okay, so now you can see that this action are on the code. As you can see, the button 1 is the name of the control, and then we have the type of the control, classic button, and then we have properties, the properties that we have selected or changed on our button, on our control. You can see that on select you will notify that button was clicked, the notification type, information, and the X and Y on the canvas. So if you need to copy that code, we can select the copy code button on the left side of the window. There it is, copy code. Then you can paste it, and then it will have the same action in the two buttons, button clicked and button clicked. See you later, and thanks for watching the YouTube channel of Sharbles. See you around.